The VS3000 is an LED grow light designed by Vivosun to be used in a 3x3 grow tent. It's a pretty light and it comes with all the mounting tools and a bonus pair of UV protection sunglasses. These rope clip hangers that are included are some of the coolest ones I've ever seen because instead of a tiny lever on the side, it's a button that you push in the middle. This looks like a typical panel light, and the dimensions are about 19.5 inches by 19.5 inches, which is pretty small for a 300-watt light. You're still gonna have about 8 inches from the edge of the light to each corner of the tent. What's interesting is the specs on Amazon show an efficiency of 2.9 joules per micromole, but these are actually LM301D diodes, which are rated at only 2.75 joules per micromole. It's not that much, but still, you got caught again. This light has 704 white LEDs and 40 infrared LEDs for a total of 744, and the driver that's included is Vivosun's own brand. The front panel has a bump out O, which protects the LEDs from touching the floor. And when you look at the panel, you'll notice that this light is actually made of 2 panels and they are not configured symmetric. All right, take a look at this, all right, all around the sides. You'll see on this side, there's LEDs that are more concentrated. But then you see this same exact pattern repeat itself right here. All right, so you're gonna get more of a light intensity right here, less of a light intensity right here, which is very uneven. I mean, I don't know why they didn't take this and just flip it around, or take this one actually and just flip it around so it's more concentrated on the end. The design of this is very poor. Despite all the misrepresentation, the readings on the light intensity pass my requirement for more than 500 ppfd on every corner, and the brightness is more than adequate for flowering in a 3x3. However, since these readings are right around the 500 mark, I would say this definitely won't work for flowering in a 4x4. The driver allows you to set the intensity at 25% intervals, and it draws power proportionately to the settings. This light does not get overly hot compared to other panel lights, which is one of the most neglected factors. I noticed there's a drastic price difference from Amazon and their website, and I'd say this light is worth it at the $245 price, but there's other lights I think that are better value that are listed in the description.